Hi, how are you today? Today we are here to read a part from the book Molly Rogers to the Rescue, a book written by Cornelia, Funke. Chapter 1, Pirate Work. Molly Rogers' mother was Barbarous Bretta. She was the wildest pirate on the seven seas. Other pirates sobbed like babies when they heard her name. But Barbarous Bretta was also the guardian of the wide stretch of emerald green ocean and 23 islands. The islands were called the Purple Shell Islands. Berta and her crew protected the people who lived on them, and all the animals too. She had taught Molly how to look after turtles and dolphins and parrots and monkeys. Each time Berta chased leopard hunters or turtle actives or pirates strike to plunder a village, Molly was there too, on board the fastest ship that sailed the oceans, the Red Swallow. Chapter 2, Toothpick and Friends. One afternoon, Molly was on lookout duty when she saw a raft drafting on the ocean. There were sharks all around it, but the man on the raft was very skinny. He couldn't have made much of a meal for half a shark. He was holding an umbrella over a very fairy monkey and a turtle, and two parrots were fanning them with their wings. "Tattooed Tammy," Molly yelled. "Quick, it's Toothpick. I think he and his friends are in trouble." Toothpick lived on Monkey Skull Island with 234 turtles, 87 parrots, and 93 monkeys, and he knew all of them by name. Toothpick liked animals better than people, and he liked to count them. He counted the ones he didn't know too: 3,667 beetles, 36 snakes. It kept him rather busy. Berta rowed out to the raft with One-Eyed Wilma. Together they chased the sharks away. Then they brought Toothpick and his friends back to the Red Swallow. They ate the whole pot of salty Sally's sea kelp soup and drank 10 bottles of her pineapple pop before they told their story. Chapter 3, Toothpick's Terrible Tale. What a terrible tale it was. The parrots did most of the talking. The monkey filled in bits in sign language, and Toothpick and the turtle added a sad sigh from time to time. Molly was shocked to hear that a gang of pirates had taken over Monkey Skull Island. "But why are they digging up the whole island?" she asked. "We have no idea," the parrots croaked. Their names were Les and Lizzie. "And they're chopping down the trees," Lizzie screeched, "with our nests in them." They ate 3 of the talking boars. Toothpick added with a deep sigh, "And there were only 12 of them to begin with. Their captain had a red beard, and his men are meaner than a swarm of blood-sucking mosquitoes. Right, Mumbles?" If you want to know other adventures of Toothpick, I invite you to read this book, Molly Rogers to the Rescue. For next time.